Hello everyone, it's part 19 of our journey from 10k to 100k. Watch this episode from the start till the end and you will see how Forex raped me in the fucking ass. And if you want to join Discord, join right now. It's completely for free, no hidden fees, nothing, completely for free. You can chat with us, you can see your analysis, etc. So see you guys in the chats. Good morning everyone, it's 8th March and today a lot of markets starts to set up again for the short side. Let's say Spain index, we could call this as a flush above EMAs, so that's good, and we could call this as the first MB, then second MB, and we could go lower if we switch to, I'm just used to bullish prices, so that's why I often switch to I invert the chart, but yeah, then DAX as well, but I want to see some kind of these trendline liquidations or whatever you want to call it, clear MB first and then the second one, and then there is a good possibility to take a trade. US oil as well, I will call this as an MB, the first MB, and then yeah, we are right around here, so one more MB above EMAs. When EMA starts to switch, that's a good entry. Same thing for Eurostoxx, but Eurostoxx still needs to clear the high or the low, because we are in an inverted chart. Then UK as well, the same thing, want to see something clear. Japanese index, nothing to do, still in this motion, this pullback motion, so at the moment nothing to do. We are holding something here, but it looks like we have good liquidity, basically something like this, and I'm taking an entry with DMAs crossing to the bullish side, sorry, to the bearish side. Then US stocks, nothing to do at the moment, but possible entries. So yeah, a lot of them starts to show that we could take continuations for the short side, but of course I will not take all of them, and yeah, maximum 2 entries at the same time. If one of those 2 entries are on break evens, then I will take the third one. We'll see, but at the moment US oil looks the best, the closest to given entry. DAX still nothing, still needs like 2-3 hours. Spain still need 2 hours at least. Eurostoxx as well, 2-3 hours. UK same shit. Japanese index and US indexes still need some good time. Then on these ones, still I will not call this as a flush. Still I want to see something deeper to look for French index trades. It is under the EMAs, but I will just look at a few other ones. Then Hong Kong, I would say we are still in this motion, and yeah, I wouldn't call this as a flush, still in one motion, so yeah, nothing to do there. Italy, the same thing, we are still in one motion, and yeah, then cryptos, beautiful flush, beautiful pullback. So starting to make an MB in here, but I will not take this as a second one. I want to see something higher, above EMAs, and the EMAs really switching to the bullish side, because as we know, all of the best entries, if you look at the best entries we have had, basically EMAs have switched. We have MB under the EMAs, second MB above the EMAs, EMAs are switched, everything looks beautiful. At the moment, right here, we are still in this price action, so there's still potential to go lower, still potential to go lower. But again, one candle can change the whole picture. So yeah. And that's the same for all of them. Ethereum, Solana, or whatever you want to watch. On the crypto side, it doesn't really matter. Solana even has, I would say, deeper flush, but again, I will not call this as an MB. I want to see MB, clear MB above the EMAs, so it starts to go through the liquidity and starts to liquidate the targets. I'm back from the gym, and yeah, basically took UJ trade, and yeah, probably should have taken it like this as the first MB, this as the second one, but the EMAs were not the best at that point. I didn't like those EMAs, so yeah, I just took it like this whole thing is the stage 1 leading into stage 2, so basically first MB, second MB, hopefully it runs, Then I was looking at US oil, still am waiting for US oil. And yeah, but yeah, still possible entry. Then Euro stocks, probably nothing. It starts to look choppy. EMAs are not sloping down. The EMAs are doing whatever they want. It's not respecting anything. Not the bullish side, not the bearish side. Again, now pushing higher, so probably wants to go into deeper flush, something like this, and then starts to break down with those MBs. And yeah, so nothing really here. I'll actually delete the order and just leave the alert. Then on DAX, the same thing. Yeah, I will delete the order also. So yeah, nothing really. Spain, I was looking at Spain as well on one of my prop firms, but as we can see, it failed completely. So nothing to do on these. Yeah, if it closes like this, then I will cancel the order. Then we will have one bullish MB in place to go higher, probably to again mitigate something up here or whatever it wants to do, distribute later on, or whatever it wants to do. But yeah, the moment nothing really happens in the market, and yeah, hopefully UJ runs, and yeah, so that's it for now basically, and I'll be back once something new happens. What's up? I'm back, and so fuck Forex 2025. Yeah, nothing to discuss here. Got fucking raped in the ass, and yeah, that's a -1, and that's about it. So fuck Forex. I'll just delete all of them, and I'll never touch them again. So yeah, overall, of course, I'm just joking, but overall it looks good, but it just doesn't deliver. Like, I don't know how many times I have taken Forex trades, and it doesn't deliver, or gets stopped out at break even. There's like 1 or 2 or maybe 3 times in the last 3-4 months when Forex really delivered to the full take profit, for me at least. It just doesn't deliver. It will probably now do something like this anyways, but for fucking I don't know what reason it stopped me out. So yeah, of course it's just -1. We are still good. We are 31k our balances. We are up 21k in one single month on 10k account. So everything's good. It's just fascinating. I'm taking entry. It looks fucking great, and it fucks me in ass. And yeah, so that's about Forex. Nothing really more to do. Then looking at Bitcoin, possible entry. I really like this. MB, or respecting these areas. EMAs still are not the best, but I'm assuming that if market drops and liquidates this low, we will keep going and EMAs will switch at that point. And yeah, we'll see if market taps me into the trade. If stop gets I'm a little bit bigger, then I will cancel the order. Already the stop is 2% of the market cap of Bitcoin. Maybe not market cap, but like 2% of the whole market. And yeah, then US oil, I was looking at it, but yeah, nothing really. I'll just delete. I'll leave the alert. It starts to get very, very ugly. At these points, it looked very nice that we can switch, that we could keep going higher. But right now, as we can see, we are looking pretty weak, or it's actually looking that it wants to go higher. I don't know, but I don't like this. It doesn't have clear structure, and yeah, Bitcoin as well isn't the best, but it at least isn't chopping around in this area, and EMAs are completely like this. Here EMAs are, I would say, to the bullish side, but yeah, I'm willing to risk my money on this trade. Then Ethereum as well, there was possible entry like this, but I didn't take it because we are still in the same area. I wouldn't call this as a, of course this is an MB, and this is the second one maybe, but I would say it's still in this stage 1. It hasn't moved at all, so if it finally breaks down, pauses, and then goes, then I will take an entry. But at this point, I don't really want to risk my money on it. And then, yeah. So I'll wait for something like this to go down, and then pausing and keep going lower. So, and Solana nothing to do. Solana looks bullish, but of course they will move the same. Ethereum, Solana, or Bitcoin, they will move the same. So if Ethereum goes down, then Solana will go down, and if we have this MB, EMA starts to switch to the bearish side, and we pause, and then we could take another MB to the downside. We'll see. But yeah, so for now that's it. Yeah, fuck Forex 2025. Hello, so I'm back. Yeah, and got a partial on US oil. Then still waiting for a partial on Bitcoin. Took a Bitcoin trade. And yeah, but basically that's about it right now. Missed DAX, missed Japanese trade, missed Euro stocks. Yeah, I was away from the computer, so that's why I missed them. But yeah, still in Bitcoin, already took out the US oil partial. And by the way, if you look at USD JPY that we took today, look where it's now. It stopped me out right here and fucking fell off. This is the reason why I don't trade Forex, and I will never trade Forex anymore. This is fucking bullshit. The price action, the delivery, no, like the price action is good for the Forex. The problem is with the delivery. Literally, in my own statistics, if I go through my MetaTrader or if I go through my journal, in let's say 200, 300 live taken trades, Forex is not delivering at all. I don't know why, but it just isn't delivering. And right now, again, I took an entry and fucking got raped in the fucking ass. Like, completely raped. Fucking fuck. And now it is here, and it's not the first time. It's like, from 5 trades, 3 trades from Forex will be something like this. Then one of those 5 trades will be a break even, and one maybe will be trade which delivers. So yeah, again, for me, it doesn't mean that Forex isn't tradable, you know, but for me it doesn't work. Like, literally, I will not trade anymore Forex. It's just bullshit. Of course, the same thing can happen to any fucking market, but just on Forex it happens so often, for me at least. So yeah, fuck this. But yeah, it was just a -1, so nothing major, you know. But yeah. So I will end the episode right now. Market will close. New York session will close in 5 minutes, so there is no point really. So stay tuned for tomorrow's episode to see if these trades hits, for example, if US oil hits full take profit, or if Bitcoin hits partial and then full take profit. That's for tomorrow. We'll see what to do in the night. So hopefully it does something like this, you know. But yeah, so for now that's it. If you want to join Discord, join. It's completely for free. We're posting our trades, we're posting analysis, we're just chatting, and yeah, if you have any questions, join Discord and ask them. We will answer them. And yeah, so that's it for now, and see you guys tomorrow.